Ja, men du måste ta med påsen inte. Kom igen.
Kör nu.
Load it. Kom igen.
Nej.
My sunglasses!
And then after that, he was like, oh! Someone crashed into my apartment.
Oh my god!
Are you okay? I gotta go. Are you okay?
Oh my god!
Come on, man.
I don't know what happened to me!
Friday and a bird falls from a tree.
No, this is how you teach a bird how to fly, 101. Now, first you want to take it. You don't want to scare its gentle little feathers. Beautiful little creature. You want to gently just toss it so it gets the feeling of what aerodynamics are. And now, you did not make it the Hannah. I had to have more motion, more... And now Hannah lost.
Oh! Oh! The cat's got it!
Next thing is
Oh, fuck.